Android smartphones are all over the place, so why not use one to operate your PC remotely? Google has its own Chrome app for remote PC control. The app is known as Chrome Remote Desktop. This app allows you can give others remote access to your computer or mobile. Once access has been granted, they can have full access to your apps, files, and documents among others. All you need is to install and set up the Chrome Remote Desktop app on the computer. Basically, this application was created for service and IT support. However, you can use this on any device to gain access over other computers. It helps in screen sharing and grant control to your machine over the internet. You can wisely use this app even for sharing the screen and watching movies together with your partner. In this video, I will take you through how to set up and use the Chrome Remote Desktop app on your mobile device. So let's get started. Setting up remote access on your computer. To use the Chrome Remote Desktop app, you will need to first set it up on your computer. The setup will prompt you to download and install the app on your computer in order for you to use it. Follow these steps to download and install the Chrome Remote Desktop. 1. Open the Chrome browser on your desktop or laptop. 2. Type remotedesktop.google.com/access in the address bar. 3. Go to Setup Remote Access and click the download icon button. 4. Follow the on-screen directions to download and install Chrome Remote Desktop. The setup file will be downloaded and installed depending on your local system. Whether it is Mac or Windows machine, grant all required rights, which may involve taking control of other installed apps and programs on the computer. How to access a computer remotely. First, how to sharing your computer with another computer. Both parties have to download and install the Chrome Remote Desktop. Either you are sharing the remote access or give support remotely. Just download and install the piece of software program on your machine. Once setup is done, it is now time to share your computer with another computer. You will have to generate a code that will be used as a PIN by the other computer. Follow the steps to generate the code for screen and control sharing using Chrome Remote Desktop. 1. Open the Chrome browser on your computer. 2. Go to remotedesktop.google.com/support. 3. If you haven't set up the Chrome Remote Desktop app, do so in previous steps. 4. Under the Get Support section, choose Generate Code. 5. Copy the generated code and send it to the person you want to have access to your computer. 6. When that person enters your access code on the site, you will see a dialog with their email address. Select Share to allow them full access to your computer. The support person will be able to share his or her screen as a result of this. They might also request that the mouse and keyboard be taken away from them. Allow the requested permission if it is required. The access code can only be used once, and it cannot be used on numerous devices at the same time. Every 30 minutes, if you're sharing your computer, you'll be prompted to confirm that you wish to keep sharing it. Click Stop Sharing to halt a sharing session, and the sessions will be ended instantly. The access code will be invalid as well. How to control your PC using a mobile phone. You may also use your Android or iOS phone to remotely access another PC. It's worth noting that if you already have the app loaded on your mobile device, you'll need to double-check that it's up to date. Follow these steps to gain access from Chrome Remote Desktop app from a mobile phone. 1. Open Play Store and download the Chrome Remote Desktop app. 2. Open the app and tap the computer you want to access from the list. 3. Enter the PIN and you are good to go. This will grant you permission to view and control the computer from the mobile device. When using the Chrome Remote Desktop app on a phone, the following gestures will be of help. How to stop a Chrome remote desktop session. It is advisable to terminate your remote session once you have completed it. Otherwise, the other computer may have access to parts of your files and data without your permission at any moment. It's simple to end a remote session. 1. On your Chrome desktop app, switch to the Remote Access tab. 2. Click the trash icon next to the computer. This will remove and disable remote connections without your permission. You can help a person fix an issue on their computer or guide someone through particular steps on their computers. You can also be able to share the screen with another computer and maybe catch a movie or series together like Netflix Party or House Party. Do you have any questions about this video? Let me know down below. If you liked this video, please consider subscribe. Otherwise, see you next time.